Hello. So today I am going to make a piece of work, make an arrangement using natural materials, using lots of flowers and petals, and I'm going to show you how to do a temporary flower mandala. Now, a mandala is a spiritual and ritual symbol that's used in many cultures representing the universe. The circular design symbolising that life is never ending and everything is connected. So spring has returned once again, and we've got all the birds singing and the blossoms back on the trees. And I find that doing this repetitive action of placing an arrangement, it's very meditative and it's slow, and it really helps me to recreate order out of all the chaos that's going on. So I bought some very cheap flowers that have all been dyed, because what I want to do with these is I'm going to be taking the petals out. But you can use, another thing that's nice to use is stones. It's nice if you've got things that are the same shape, because you're going to be repeating and repeating and repeating. And of course you can always look to nature for ideas, and you can see how things repeat and repeat, go round and round. So I've also got lots of blossom here, which I might be using, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to do, but to start with we always start in the middle. So you start with something, a circular bit. So I'm going to start. You might want to have some tweezers handy, and there's actually a little dentist tool, but something pointy, and nails good, because you might need to move things around. And it's nice to work on a black surface, but if you haven't got a black surface, a plain surface is good. And find the centre. So I'm going to pluck some of these. And of course you want to be working with the same size, so you might have to fiddle on a bit. And it's a very slow process, so don't be in a hurry, just take your time. Right, I'm happy with this one. Yeah. So when you're happy with your finished piece, you might like to take a photograph of it because it's only temporary. Now these ones are all done inside, but you might like to actually do one outside, which you could leave for other people to see. There are lots of artists you could be looking up, James Brunt and of course Andy Goldsworthy. So I hope you've enjoyed making your mandala, and maybe you'll leave one for someone to see when you're outside going for a walk.